Hey guys, welcome back. This is kind of an odd video because I wasn't expecting to make this. Sorry for my voice. I talked a lot yesterday. I was going by CBET and NVRT labs, and the crazy thing is their display just caught my attention. I thought it's got to be the coolest thing I've ever seen, and I got to show it to you. So this is what I'm talking about when it comes to innovation. It's also innovation in how you present yourself. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm over here by the College of Biomedical Equipment Technology and of course NVRT Labs, and check out this display. I've never seen this before, and the crazy thing is it's got Dolby Atmos. It's got an auto change for the rotate feature, and it packs away, and it's got like a 3-hour battery life, I believe. So it's got integral batteries, it's got a remote, and it all folds up into this very rigid case, the LG Stand By Me Go. And how cool is that? Fascinating, absolutely fascinating. How it latches up, closes down, makes it safe for traveling on airlines. What a perfect technology to match up to their goggles. So it's a portable system. Anyway, I was just down here browsing around, and I thought, holy cow, that is probably one of the most creative and innovative things I've seen yet out of this whole entire show. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So hope you appreciate it.